I do. I'm taking the pictures for y'all. I'm trying to feel y'all's pain.
Guys.
What I'm trying to do.
You feeling shit. Oh shit.
Yeah. I'm still like that pee.
Yeah, how long are we
More
standing?
challenging.
I might pee myself first, then go swim.
That thing is solid. Solid!
I don't know if I can do it.
I don't think we're having a shot.
How cold did you say it is?
Here, hold this.
I'd say it's probably in the 40s.
Water or
50s?
Yeah, I
outside?
was being a big vagina,
Outside
but yeah,
50s.
he can't
Water?
do I apologize
Possibly
for my
about the same.
offensive language.
I don't know, I'm not gonna touch the water.
I might put a toe in just so I know how cold it is, but that's
Your
about it.
hands are probably all fucked up now.
Yeah, I fucked up my hands, but it's
Cheryl,
worth it.
take my glasses.
This one tastes like grandma's.
Don't lose them,
Cough
please.
medicine, baby.
Cough medicine.
It's gonna be a long ride back to Connecticut.
That's that true. Cheryl and Christine have had a lot of
This is gonna be great.
True story.
I want a full one.
I think this should be to the heat.
Fuck it, I'll do it.
To the heat.
All right.
Oh.
No, not to the heat.
Paul already told me to quit being a pussy.
You little bitch.
Alright. Cheers. Alright, hold on. Where's the lid? Where's the lid? Where's the lid?
Here's to the tiny penises we're gonna have when we come out of there. Well, Mark's is tiny to begin with.
Good.
Woo! Alright, gentlemen.
Hats
Yeah,
off.
I had some punch.
Oh,
That had kicked to it.
damn, like a fucking mule.
I've never had it warm.
Not anymore.
Hat up? No. Did you get a picture of them with all their masks on?
Oh, we're recording
I thought we were
it.
supposed to wear
Makes
that
me
in.
prettier.
You got like 45 minutes for the video. Alright.
I say we just run and do this.
Ike? You ready?
I might vomit in the ocean.
You won't do it. Primo, make some noise with your mask.
Gentlemen!
Hit the thing.
I am your father.
Start your engines!
I think he's wearing a battery on it.
Yes. Don't be upset. I was $1.50 at the Salvation Army. What dumb idiots. And they're sitting out there. They're like, no. Let's take it up.
Oh, that sucks. I'm in so much pain right now. I can't.
Says Gay Maximus.
Congratulations, Mark. That's a ride.
I got in, I'm like, you know what, this isn't that cold, and then like my body started hurting. Give me a hug.
Get the fuck away from me.
No.
Who wants to do it again?
No.
Welcome to Myrtle Beach
You got out
Juniors,
first.
folks.
Yeah, you kind of run around and catch my
There it is.
I did that shit earlier this year. It wasn't good then, and it isn't good now.
Alright, my feet are cold.